Hello. Hello, Riker. I'm taking her to area around dog park. This is an off-leash dog park. I'm not let her go inside because I don't have a connection with her yet. She's not my dog. So I don't want to end up her running circles and I will not be able to catch her. So I will be walking around the dog park and do some training because she likes to scream when she wants to reach someone or something. This is how dog park look like. Yeah, one dog look just like her. So she's observing a dog, and the fence is so short. It's like less than 4 feet, just up to my waistline. Here's some dog. That's okay to sniff through the fence. I keep leash loose. If she starts screaming crazy, just look like her. I will give you a correction. Riker, maybe it's your relative. She's behaving good. She's sniffing. She's not screaming. Her body is relaxed. Here, some other dog person breathing. Let's see reaction of Riker at this dog. A little bit of whining is okay. I don't want her to pull on a leash. But this dog looks just like her. No, that's it. I know you want to go there, but not today. So I'll be walking around and recording short videos. We'll be walking a fence line, and dogs are following us because they're curious. This is a husky mix. Sniffing is okay. Doing crazy noises, not okay. I mean, dogs can be vocal, but if it's something uncontrollable and sounds like a madhouse, then she will be corrected by prong collar. So we are walking here. Dogs are behind us. She's sniffing. That's what I will do. I will be walking around the dog park, looking at her reaction and controlling her and giving her corrections if she is getting crazy. Here's some Labrador sniffing through the fence. And Golden. Everybody nice and calm. So more of the dog park. Here's Riker walking with me. Some person already invited me to come in and I said not today. Look at these blue eyes. Blue eyes. We'll go again to the gate. This is where excited dogs mostly are misbehaving because they want to come into the park. So like look at this King Charles Spaniel, or yeah, it's a King Charles who really dragging. So we'll see how Riker will behave when dogs are excited. She's good. A little bit whining is fine. Not pulling me, no. Doing some sniffing. Looking at some dogs at the parking lot. Just observation. Here's the clone who look like just Riker. Riker look like just like you. Just like you. This is some dog is coming into the dog park. Riker is relaxed. We'll see how she will do. And she'll come closer to the dog. She don't even pay attention to this dog. Just a little bit of whining is okay. No. No. I don't want too much whining. I will keep walking. This is how big this park is. I'll keep walking, and if she's pulling, she will receive a correction, and we will back to the sit. I will just walk the perimeter of the park, and I'm absolutely fine if she will be sniffing the dog through the fence. So this is where I'm walking. Here's some old dog trying to approach us. Let's see if this dog will be crazy. And let's see how Riker will behave. Riker is good. Good girl. Here's more of these dogs. They are curious why we are not coming in. Riker, the dog who looked just like you coming here. Hey puppy! This is a boy. Look like you. Come on, Riker. So we're just walking. If she will be pulling, I will correct her. It should be just loose leash, not heeling, just loose leash. Loose leash, same side. I have her on the left. She's going ahead of me. I don't want it. That's it. Just the rules. No. Here's park from other side. No. Now we'll practice some sits here. I will practice leave it. I'll practice leave it with a hot dog. I will be just throwing on the grass. She really want a hot dog. Here. She definitely want it. So I will throw it there, and then I will give you command leave it, and then I'll give you correction if she try to go after this. Leave it. Here it is. Here it is. Sit. A little bit of fighting in the dog park. That's what always happens. And person pick up dog on her in her arms, which mostly antagonize dogs and make them attack more. Yeah, that's what can happen in any dog park, because every dog is different. And you don't know what's in their head, and people don't know their dogs as well. Right, Riker? Okay, I'll pick up the hot dog again. Let her sniff it. She really want it. What I'm doing, I'm throwing there, leave it, and I'm walking around it. And she just pass it. Good. Just pass it. It's a nice day to walk your dog. It's more dogs now. In the park, we just walk in the perimeter. Why? Because I don't want to have her in the park and then I will not be able to catch her. No point. Good girl, I like that you look at me. You acknowledge that I'm with you. Sniffing is okay. Let's go, girl. This Labrador wore in a shock collar. I don't know why. Maybe not good recall as well. The Riker only wore in Hemspringer. That's it. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Let's go. I'm still building a relationship with her, so I'm not giving much correction. And I'm not asking too much from her. What I will do, I will sit on this bench and we will be just observing the dogs. She don't understand why I'm sitting and she start whining, and I don't like any continuous whining. So she will get corrected. Shh. So I'll be sitting there probably for 20 minutes. You can go sniff. I'm fine with it. Yeah, I'm fine with it. You can sniff. I don't know why this park have such a short fence. Very short. Riker can jump it if she likes. If she would be inside and let's say she would feel threatened, she definitely can jump such fence because it's just below my waistline. Very short. Here people brought some Australian Shepherd. Australian Shepherd can be hyper and people not doing much about it. So let's see how Riker will react when this Australian Shepherd will come close to the gate of the park. That's some odd looking dog. It's probably some kind of oodle. Oodle like to hump other male dog. So Oodle likes boys, but Labrador don't like this idea, so it can lead to some fight. You can sniff. This dog can widen Riker to go play. Riker is relaxed and happy. Okay, here's some Australian Shepherd, which is pulling on the leash, and I want to record how Riker will behave when this dog will pass by. Stop whining. Good girl. No.
Says hi.
No,
She says hi.
no, she's on the leash.
No.
No, thank you. We'll walk a little bit. Let's go. Just walking perimeter again. Watching the dogs. Hey, Ricker. Good girl. You're melting down. You're not shy anymore. Гуля.